Much like traditional brick and mortars, modular buildings require regular inspections and maintenance. All circumstances considered, scheduling regular maintenance for commercial buildings can get difficult. Adhering to a routine building maintenance checklist eliminates future potential problems and extends the useful lifespan of modular buildings, keeping them polished and steering clear from major expensive fixes. Here are some things that you should be checking off of your list to ensure everything is running at maximum efficiency. For doors and windows, make sure you're checking the rain diverters, sliding door and window tracks, hinges, and hydraulic closers. HVAC systems is one of the most important aspects to keep into consideration. Make sure that filters are changed every month, air ducts are cleaned every season, and clean your AC condenser coils over the summer. Paying close attention to the modular roofing helps ensure that there are no expensive cracks or leaks. Clear all debris from your roof, gutter, and downspouts, and make sure that you're inspecting your roof for tears, cracks, loose or missing shingles. In addition to inspection of your modular's exterior, checking the structure's sidings for cracks, chipping, and scratches is necessary. Among other important checklist items on your routine maintenance schedule, make sure that you're also checking your structure's lighting, plumbing, smoke detectors, and more. Get the full checklist for all your modular building maintenance needs at www.boxxmodular.com/resources/blog/modular building maintenance inspection checklist.